Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm here with my monthly Allure box. This is one of my favorite boxes. In fact, I'm down to just Allure and Ipsy right now, so for subscriptions. But anyway, I love this box. It's always a great value, and we have like expensive pricey products in here that you can get for such a low price. So the prices have gone up recently, so they're $29 a box, but you can get this month, you can get them for a box for $10, and they also give you an extra free gift. So I actually pay less because they didn't raise the prices for me since I had been I'm on a annual subscription, so I get these for around $20 myself, and one product will pay for the box always in here. But anyway, so I'm excited about this, so let's just get to it and see what fun things we have in here. Okay friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support so much. If you want to support my channel, you can hit the subscribe button, the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated, so thank you for that. And we're opening this up, and we got also another thing about Allure is they do have a member store, and sometimes you can get some really good items in the member store. Or if you really like something that was in a box, then a lot of times they'll have some of those items for sale also. So they sent a thank you with a $10 member store credit. So anyway, I do occasionally buy things from their shop. Okay, so this is fun. I'm gonna give you a real sneak peek here, and let's just get started here with what we have. And okay, so the first thing I'm gonna get to is that they always give us a makeup product choice. Now this is something new that they've been doing the last few months, but they just you're able to choose either a color or a type or whatever of whatever the product is. So next month I know is like an eyebrow pencil, and they had like 4 colors you could choose from. And this month for September, that's for October, but for September, we got the Rhodial blush drops. And these, I think I have these, and I haven't used them a lot, and I'm kind of excited to start using this again. But anyway, this is what the bottle looks like. It's real pretty. I got it in a pink color. What color is this? I can't see what it is. Anyway, it's a poppy pink. They had kind of an orangish one and one that was a little more bronze. But I have a lot of bronze drops, so I kind of thought these were fun. So anyway, that's the first item, and guess how much this is worth? This would pay for 2 of my boxes. This is valued at probably put too much on here to show, but anyway, that's what it looks like. This is valued at $55, so it's a pricey product. Probably I wouldn't want to one I wouldn't spend a lot of money on. You barely see it. It's kind of supposed to be kind of like a they call it like a watercolor look, but it can also be layered, so you can layer it up and get a more intense color if you want, or just if you want just a real natural look, it'll give you kind of this pinkish glow. So there it is, layered. So anyway, it's really feels nice on the skin. So I'm kind of excited about this. So anyway, that's our first product. The next product I'm going to share is the other makeup product we got. And this is from Benefit Cosmetics. If you're familiar with my channel much, you know that I swear by this stuff. This is like my favorite brow setter. It's a 24-hour brow setter. It's a clear brow gel, and I always use this over my pencil or whatever. Some people do their eyes different. I put the color, kind of color them in and then use this, and this kind of sets them. But you can also use this if you don't like to color your eyebrows or use a pencil. You can just use this clear brown. It'll kind of form and set your eyebrows. So here is the bottle. It's a real cute little bottle. That's what it looks like. So anyway, so that's the second thing. So 2 makeup items. Actually, there's one more that's kind of a makeup item, and I guess I'll show that next. This is a it's Blossom Essentials, and it says Hydration Repair Honey Lip Balm. Now it kind of looks like a contour stick of some kind, but it's actually has a lid on it right here. So there's what it looks like. And I don't really get a scent from it. There it is underneath the blush. I don't know if you can see it, but there's kind of a little tint, just kind of a little shine right there. Oh, you know what? It's like coming apart. That's weird. It's not really a stick. It's really, look at it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of lost its form here. I am gonna, let me see. I want to read about this because I'm just curious what they say about it. And so it says Blossom Essentials Hydration Repair Honey Lip Balm. Why you'll love it. This chubby lip balm is super cute and fun to stash in your bag. Better yet, the Manuka honey infused formula goes on creamier than most sticks. It gives on an especially pretty sheen on your lips. And the ingredients, coconut oil, beeswax, manula seed oil, are ones we feel good about slathering on. Okay, so just says swipe on to bare lips or under lip color whenever you want a hydration with a touch of shine. Okay. So yeah, it does have that shine. I don't know, you can see the shine there right below the pink. So anyway, yeah, I'll try it. You know, lip products, you can never have too many. I say that a lot, even though I do probably have too many. Well, I know I do, but anyway. So there's that. The next thing I have here is a hair product, which I'm really happy about. This is an Invisadry shampoo by Eva Nye, E-V-A-N-Y-E. I have used things from this brand. I like it. And anyway, it looks like a good... It smells good. It smells fresh. I didn't really need to do that. But anyway, there's that. This is just a sample size. I think the full size is like $26. So yeah, it's probably just half of that. So no, I don't think it's 26. I think it was valued at $15. Okay, the one that was valued at 26 is our second full-size item, but these non-full-size products are still pretty big. So this one I'm really interested in. This is BDY by Tree Hut, and it's just a mini body serum. So it's just a spray. You can see, can you see? I don't know if you can see it. I can see it really good, but you can't really see it on here. How it's got like an oil or something up here, and you just shake it and spray it, I guess. Spray it on your body. It seems like it might be something nice to spray on at night. Has a really soothing scent. Anyway, it feels cool and refreshing. So yeah, I'm excited about this. So there's the other not full. We got 4 full-size products though this time. How have we not used a body mist sooner? This is nothing like scented mists or body splashes. Instead, it's more like a face mist, but for the skin below your neck. The refreshing blend of squalene, niacinamide, and tranexamic acid hydrates and brightens. Okay, so yeah, I'm really excited. It smells good. Look how cute it is too. The bottle is just adorable. So anyway, that's really exciting. And then the last item I have here is another full-size item. So this is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. So it's a big bottle. I mean, this is 8 ounces, and it's a body cream. And it's a really made for dry, it's really good on dry areas, you know, like your elbows or your knees or anywhere where you feel extra dry. It's also can be used on the face. So we know that First Aid Beauty is a good brand. So look at that. That's exciting too. So that's our first item we have. So this is a great product. I'm excited to use that. The next thing I have is the body spray right here, and I'm super excited about that. The mist, I think, yeah, so this is really great. And then we have the dry hair. So we got 3 products in there. And then we've got the blush drops for makeup. Really pretty, pricey, $55 product. This is also a pricey product, this Benefit. I think it's, what it says on here. I've bought it before. I think it's around, okay, it is $28. So, yeah, anyway, it's really good brow gel though. I've had numerous ones. I've gone through numerous ones of these in my little life. But anyway, so, and then the last thing is the honey lip balm. So it's, you know, I don't know, because it kind of looked to me like it had melted or something, but maybe that's part of the thing. I love the glow of it. And so anyway, that goes in there. So there you go. There's all of our products that we got for the month of September for Allure Beauty Box. And yeah, that there's still a shine there. This is just staying, this lip balm. It almost looks like it has a little bit of an orangish tint on my skin, but anyway, and then that blush is pretty, that just little watercolor. Anyway, so that's it for the Allure Beauty Box. Let me know what you think. If you're interested in getting it and you don't, this month is the month to do it. You can go on, and it's $10 to buy this month's box. You will get to pick which eyeliner or which eyebrow pencil you want. And anyway, so it's kind of a good deal. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate your support. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions or anything. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.